It's your boy Jimmy Vegan. Take a look at what I ate this week. Monday started me out at Panera for breakfast. Oatmeal with fresh fruit and brown sugar. Lunch was a random salad of things I found in the refrigerator, topped with a dressing. And dinner was my favorite roasted vegetable recipe. This recipe is easy, this recipe is customizable, this recipe is delicious, this recipe makes a lot of leftovers. Tuesday, I started my day off with leftovers. The veggies from last night became this morning's breakfast. Scramble some just eggs, put the veggies on a plate, and bam, you have an incredible breakfast. This curry dumpling soup for lunch was phenomenal. It's the first time I made curry dumpling soup, and I will make this over and over again. And for dinner, this vegan crab cake. It looks delicious, but it was about a 6.5 out of 10. Breakfast, eggs, fruit, and oatmeal. Eggs were my comfort food growing up, so I try to have them as much as I possibly can. Fresh juice. This recipe is apple, lemon, ginger, and sweet potato. And of course, dinner at my favorite plant-based restaurant of all time. Planta does not disappoint. These scallops were off the chain. This bang bang broccoli was fire. A brownie for dessert was everything I needed to complete my life. The goal of this particular blog is to show you what it is really, truly like to eat vegan. There are days where I have no food in the house and I go out and I have a miscellaneous breakfast. This is one of those days. For lunch, I'm still out in the streets and I Chipotle, pinto beans, sofritas, and avocado. And for dinner, again, I haven't been home yet. How about some pad see ew from my favorite Thai restaurant? Friday's breakfast is easy, lazy fruit. Nature's candy, essentially. Moving on to lunch, portobello noodle bowl. I love it. And for dinner, my famous beef tip stew. It's comforting, it's filling, it's flavorful, it's savory, it's everything you need. If you're looking for resources to get started, I've got everything you need on my website. From meal plans to cookbooks to free guides, go check it out. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I got more plant-based travel and food content coming your way.